In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add a pump.fun buy bot into your Telegram group. Now, this is a very quick and simple thing to do, so make sure you watch this video all the way to the end so you don't miss any important steps. So in order to do this, we must have first created a Telegram group, and as you can see here, I've just created a brand new group which I'm going to add a pump.fun buy bot to. So in order to do that, we can simply click our group's name at the top, and we can then choose to add a member by clicking this icon right here. From there, we can search for members, and you just want to search this, at pumpbuy_bot. Now you want to make sure this is 100% correct, because if you don't type this in correctly, you may end up getting the wrong result here, and this is the correct one that we're looking for, pump.fun buy tracker. So we can click on this, and then we can click add. From there, this doesn't matter, so we can just click add, and as you can see, it's now been added to our group. So now that we've added it, we have to actually give it admin rights. So we're going to click our group's name at the top again, and we're just going to right click on the pump.fun buy tracker. From there, we'll be able to see a few different options. However, this second option should be promote to admin. So we're going to promote it, and then we're going to leave all of this the same, and we're going to click save. And as you can see, our bot's now got admin. So from there, we can type /config. And then when we start typing this, as you can see, this text pops up, so we can simply click on this. And it now says, please reply to this message with the contract address of your token. So what we can do from there is open up pump.fun, and we want to go ahead and find our coin's contract address. Now I don't actually have a token live, so I'm just going to pick a random one. So let's go ahead and choose this one right here. And then I can get the contract address by going up to the top and looking for this section where it says CA. So I can click copy on this, and then we can go back to Telegram. So from here, we need to right click on this message and click reply. And then we can paste in that contract address we just got, and we can click enter. Now, as you can see, this must already be added into another group, so it's not letting me. So let me just find a brand new contract address. Okay, so I've got a new contract address now, so I'm just going to reply to this first message again, and I'm going to paste in this new contract address. As you can see, here's the coin which I pasted in, and it's now tracking our buys. As you can see, someone just bought, and it is updating in real time. Now, we can also change some of these settings, so I'm going to click / and type settings. And we're just going to click on this. So here's where we can actually change some of the settings. So we can change the minimum buy amount, which is the minimum amount someone has to buy to show up here. We can change the GIF or image, which is this photo right here. And we can even change the emoji, which at the moment is this green dot right here. So by changing all these settings, this will allow you to customize it exactly how you like. And once you've done that, you will have successfully added a pump.fun buy bot into your Telegram group. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.